Good morning, everyone. Today is another good day. Today, also, we are going to talk about the same topic. In options, buying is better or selling is better. Which one to choose? Come, let's get into the video. Now, let us look at the graph for Bank Nifty for 28th August 2020. If you see the graph, market has opened around 23,635 as the opening price, and slowly it started increasing 23,700, and you can see around 23,900 or 24,000 there is a sudden jump, and from there it reached almost 24,400. Then again it came down 24,200. Then again it started moving upside and it closed around 24,600. It touched it and it came back to 24,523. That was the closing price for Bank Nifty on 28th August 2020. The reason behind is market is not rational, and of course there was some good news that people has to repay the EMI. They will not have any EMI holiday as per the RBI policy. So people thought that this is a good news, so bank will start reaping the benefits. So all people started buying bank stocks, and that's how the Bank Nifty shoot up almost 920 points in a single day. In Bank Nifty, 1000 points in a single day is a very big event. In 1 year, this kind of events you can just count it easily. Generally, Bank Nifty will not go beyond 400 or 500. So 1000 points is a good move. Now let us look how much you could have gained this as a profit or something. If you look at these options, you can almost get some 3 times the money within a single day. So just when the Bank Nifty opened positive around 23,600, if you would have bought the call option either for 23,600 or 23,700, people are almost confused. What is the strike price that I should choose for this Bank Nifty? People are very much confused about this strike price. Which strike should I buy it? It's a very simple. I can tell you. You can always go for at the money. At the money means whatever the Bank Nifty spot price, the similar kind of strike price you can get. In Bank Nifty, strike price always goes from 23,500, 600, 700. Yes, so every 100 points, it will be increased. There is a strike price. So whatever your spot price, from that, what is the next nearest strike that you can choose? For example, morning it was opening around 23,635. So you can choose 23,700, which is the next immediate strike price. So in case if you see the market, in case if you have bought this 1 lot 25 lot in 25 quantity in Bank Nifty, so that cost around 350 rupees. The opening price was 350 rupees. Even though it made a little low of 305, again it went up high and high, almost 3 times folded, and it was made a high of 1075, and finally it closed a little bit 1026. So if you bought 1 lot, that would have cost you only 8,750 rupees, but by 3:30 p.m. that 8,000 rupees would have become 25,000 rupees in a single day. So do you know why this was so much highly appreciated on this single day? It's nothing but everybody wanted to buy this, and we don't have any seller for this particular call options. So why everybody wanted to buy? Because everybody knows that it is going to be a profit. If I want to give an example, I can give a simple example for tomato. There are only 10 sellers of tomato, whereas 1000 people are willing to buy from the 10 sellers. So now you know the buy and demand. So when the buyers are more, the price will shoot up. When the sellers are more, the price will come down. This is the basic strategy between buying and selling. That's why we say whenever there is a demand increases. What is the meaning of demand increases? So many buyers are there in the market and sellers are very, very less. So the price will shoot up automatically. If there are no demand, which means buyers are very less, people are willing to sell the share or whatever may be, but there is no buyers or very limited buyers. In that case, market will reverse it and market will go in a negative way. This is the basic difference between buying and selling. When you should buy, when you should sell, you should always check when is the buyers amount, buyers number of buyers is more, number of sellers is less. This kind of calculations also make a big difference before doing the intraday. Of course, this is very much important in intraday. If you want to do it, intraday is very much risky, and that is why we always suggest that go for option selling in a weekly or in a monthly way, so that you will be a little safe side. And there are much more strategies while doing the monthly strategy. Either you can get a profit, or at least you can save your capital, whereas in options buyings we may suddenly lose the entire capital. What would happen if somebody would have, instead of call option, if they would have bought the put option, if they think that market will go down, if they buy the put option on the same bank nifty, their entire capital would have gone to near to zero. It may not be equal to zero, or at least it would have gone very less. At least in a single day their capital would have become 50% less or 75% less. So this is the biggest problem in option buyings. Whereas in option sellings, if you have put a nice strategy, then that would safeguard you in a big movement also. There are much strategies available, but you have to choose the right strategy for which one to choose, which one not to choose, because I already told you not every strategy is 100% perfect. All the strategies are 80 to 90% perfect. Remaining 10 to 20% is what you choose, when to choose, and when to exit. These are the important things that you should know while doing the options. Option trading is not at all for beginners. I am repeating, option trading is not at all for beginners. Option trading, if you want to enter in option trading, minimum you should have at least 1 year of experience. While doing the cash purchase in equity, do the paper trading in options at least for 1 year. Then you can understand how the value of option premium is priced over here, that you will understand. But this option is very much interested, and it will get you attracted into the market very easily. But you should not get attracted so much, because the more attractive, the more dangerous. I hope you all know about it. Market is very, very risky, especially future and options is very much risky. You can lose your entire capital in a single day also. Otherwise, your capital will become double and triple in a single day also. This is the one of the example. We'll see you in a next good video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.